To deliver a world-class software as a service solution, it requires the technology teams to embrace really special ways of working. To do that, we focus on three areas. First, we make sure that all of our practices enforce an agile software development methodologies. So all of our service teams make sure to work in sprints, deliver value at the end of each sprint, and push into production on a continuous basis. We have teams that are constantly innovating, constantly bringing new products into market, and the customers get that value very quickly. That's key to software as a service because as a service company, you're expecting to get new value on a consistent basis, and we do that. The second part of that is our investment in DevOps and what we do with DevOps practices. We have a tremendous amount of investment in our continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines using world-class cloud technology. We make sure that we have the ability to bring a tremendous amount of scale to solutions when we need to, and then take that away to make sure that we keep our costs aligned. And then the last thing that we focus on a significant amount is our culture, and making sure that we have a culture that reinforces the right things. So we're constantly looking at learning and adopting new technologies, new languages, new patterns. We're focused on making sure that we have security as part of our culture, that all of our solutions are secure and are built the right way to make sure that we protect our customers' data. Reliability is part of our culture. So we make sure that when we're building solutions, we don't have to have an architecture review to make sure that reliability is built in. Teams are doing that as part of designing their services from the beginning. As we build out SPS Commerce's global team, there are a handful of things that we focus on. First of all, we have products and services in different regions and countries, and we have team members in those environments, in those locations to help us support those activities. We also, as a software as a service company, have a need for 24/7, 365 coverage. And to make that as efficient as possible, we have team members around the world that adopt a follow-the-sun model to make sure that we can support those products and services. And lastly, like many technology companies, especially growing technology companies, we have more work to do than we ever have people able to do it. And so we look for environments where we can find passionate, excited technologists that can help us solve really challenging customer problems. That's one of the reasons why we're in Ukraine, because we've found this to be a great place where we can bring technologists that are excited about solving really difficult technology problems and work with a global team to help deliver value to our customers.